Hello all, greetings for the day. Today I'm going to show you how we can use purchase loan module integrated with purchase inventory and sales and accounting in the system. First of all, we need to make sure that we have the farmer or a behavior who is going to take a loan. Uh, Let us suppose Ram Paudel is a farmer who is going to take a loan. So I have created it already. In the similar manner, let us check whether we have the products in the inventory or not. So master product, whether we have sufficient amount of product on the inventory. We have potassium nitrate fertilizers, 1000 quantity on our hand. It means we have 1000 quantity of fertilizers in our stock, so we can give it to the farmer who wants to apply for the loan. Now the farmer came to the company, he or she apply for the loan. So in order to create a loan, we will go to the loan module. We'll create a loan. So we will choose the farmer or BAR who is going to take a loan. It may be fertilizer loan, product fertilizer, loan apply date, the person who is creating a loan, for how many months the loan is being lended, currency, choose the currency, any currency, quantity applied, for how many quantity does the farmer apply for the loan. Maybe it may be 100. It means we have 1000 quantity on hand in inventory, it should be deducted by 100, so the remaining quantity must be 900 in our inventory. Once we approve the loan, we approved 100 quantity of loan and the total product amount is 800. Now we save it or request for approval. Once we request, it will go to the respective manager and he or she will approve the loan. So once the loan is approved, we have to create a agreement, that is contract of the loan. So in order to create a contract of the loan, we need to have a sign of the farmer. So we will mark the sign of the farmer like this and click on mark contract sign. Once we have done this, then the sign will be recorded in the system. So save it. So if you click on print, we have a farmer loan contract. It is the agreement document where we can see the agreement between first party and second party. First party means the company who is going to give a loan, and the second party is the farmer or BR which is going to take a loan. So one, we can click on print button to print the loan. So it will be in the PDF format. So in this way, we establish contract module in the loan section. Once the loan is approved, it means it should be deducted from the inventory section. So we will move on to the sale order. Since we give the product of our stock to the farmer, it means it is a type of sale but in the term of loan. So once we confirm this, we'll go to the delivery, and in from, so it should be validated in order to be deducted from the stock. We have warehouse as WH OUT0008. So I will validate this. So once I validate, then the fertilizer has been deducted from the stock also. So I will look onto the stock, that means inventory, master data product. So let us see the potassium nitrate over here. I will see, now you can see 900. Earlier we have 1000 quantity on hand. Once we lend 1000 quantity of fertilizers to the farmer, then it has been deducted from the inventory. So we have 900. So if I go to the product moves, I can see where has been the this product has been moved. So this is the latest one, and this is the time, this is the reference ID, This is the product, this is the warehouse name, and this is the partner location or a customer. How many quantity? It is 100. So the status is done, it means it has been already validated. In this way we can see how the product has been moved from our location to the customer location. So once we validate or confirm the loan, it means this is the amount that is to be payable for farmer and receivable for the company. So it should be reflected in this way in our accounting report. So let us see the accounting report. So I will go to accounting reporting. So for example, let us check partner ledger for example. So since I haven't created an invoice, I haven't seen any transaction being reflected over here. So I have to go to the loan, go to the same loan and sale order. So I will create an invoice. So it may be invoiceable line, whether it may be the down payment mechanism for the loan. So I will choose invoiceable line for now. Create invoice. So the invoice has been created. So now let us see. So this is the invoice and I will validate this. Now the farmer can register the payment or can give the payment, otherwise we will keep the process as usual. So I will look onto the accounting report. Let us see and partner ledger. So now you can see the Ram Powell. So this is the invoice, so we can see the invoice as well, detail of the invoice. So 1000 amount is the amount of the product that has been lended to the farmer, so it will be regarded as debit. And so balance, the total balance is 1000. So the farmer has to pay $1000 to the company. So this is how it gets reflected on accounting. So for now the farmer comes with a paddy to sell to the company. So what if that is the case? So the company will process the paddy. So let us suppose I will create a process quotation. So from Ram Podel, I will buy, or the company will buy paddy. So the quantity is 200. Unit price is 100. So 20,000. It means now it will be reflected that once we confirm this transaction or process, uh, the amount should be deducted accordingly in the uh, ledger of Ram Powell. It means 1000 is debit and 20,000 will be credit. So once we sync this transaction, then 19,000 will be the amount that has to be paid by the company to farmer after deduction of the loan. So I will confirm the order. So I will go to the receipt. So I will check the quality. So quality is 17, 7 and 6. I will validate this. I will check, I can check the quality checks from here. So let us check quality checks. It means total weight cut is 5%. So I will receive the product now. So once I receive, then uh, 200 190 kg or quantity of the product will be increased in our inventory section once I validate this. So let us see on the inventory section, master data product. So we have here 500 quantity purchased. So we have been buying already also. So this is the basmati rice. We can see over here on this date, and the product paddy basmati has been bought from partner location, that means vendor location, to our location. Our warehouse is WH/stock. How many quantity? 190 quantity. So in this way we can buy the product and it can be reflected on the inventory. So once we know that the amount we have, the product we have bought has been reflected on inventory, whether it should be reflected on accounting or not. So let us see. Reporting. So when I see partner ledger, so it is Ram Powell. So now till now the transaction has not been reflected, since we haven't confirmed our purchase order. So let us see. Let us confirm it. It means let us create a bill for 190 quantity. So I will validate this. Once I validate it, since we have from after the weight adjustment, the quantity is 190, so accordingly 19,000 is the amount that has to be paid by company to the farmer. Since $1,000 is the amount of the fertilizer, so it should be reflected accordingly on the partner ledger. It means 19,000 is the amount that has to be paid by company to the farmer, whereas 1,000 is the amount that has to be paid by farmer to the company. So in order to sync that transaction, we can see the partner ledger of Ram Powell. Now we can see over here. So the one is invoice. Invoice is the amount that has is the document where we sell the product, and bill is the document where we purchase the product. So we can see over here. So 1,000 debit. So initial balance is 1,000. So after buying the product, 19,000 is the amount that has to be paid by the company to the farmer, so it is regarded as credit. So after so so and final balance is the 18,000, is the balance that has to be paid by company to the farmer, so it is regarded in negative. So it is on credit side. That is the amount payable for the company. So in this way we can reflect that transaction. And for example, once we confirm the purchase order, so register payment. Let us suppose 18,000, or we can do 19,000 as well, or 18,000. So let us see the partner ledger. So now the amount is 0. The balance is 0 after deduction. since 1000 is the amount that has to be paid by farmer, 19,000 is the amount that has to be paid by company to farmer. So after the deduction, the amount is 18,000. So once we have bought the product, then the transaction has been synced, and the amount that has to be paid will be recorded on balance section, which is $0. So in this way, the transaction has been reflected uh, of the loan section. Either it may be fertilizer loan, seed loan, or financial loan. If we do in this way, we can see every transaction, every record, and every product that we sell will be that has been moved from our stock to the customer or vendor, that will be reflected, that will be tracked on our inventory section, um, um, and so will be on the accounting section as well. So this much for today. I think you understand how we have done the loan section as of now. So it can be made more matured on the development process, on full-fledged development. As of now, the concept has been cleared, and um, the flow has the flow we have done in many cases. In Voodoo, we have done the loan has been done in this way. So thank you for today. Have a great day.